皆さんこんにちは。This is the fourth video of JLPT N5 Vocabulary with Sentences series. At first, I wanted to say thank you so much for supporting this channel. I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and all of your comments. I read all of your comments and reply as much as possible. Alright, so let's not make you wait any longer and get started. The first word is to be born.生まれる、生まれる。さっき、たかしさんの赤ちゃんが生まれました。さっき、たかしさんの赤ちゃんが生まれました。たかしさん's baby was born just now. The first word さっき that means just now or a moment ago. たかしさんのThat means Takashi-san's or Mr. Takashi's. So, no after the name, that makes it into a possessive. Aka-chan, that means baby. So, Takashi-san no aka-chan, that means Mr. Takashi's baby. Ga is a subject marker, so the subject is Takashi-san's baby in this sentence. Then, 生まれ This part is a must form of 生まれる to be born. Then ました that is a past form of ます Mas makes the sentence polite. So 生まれました that means, in a polite way, was born. So the whole sentence means Takashi-san's baby was born just now or a moment ago. Let's look at the next sentence. 3月5日に生まれました。3月5日に生まれました。First part, 3月 that means May, and then 5日 that means 5th. So 3月5日 May 5th. The next word に this is a particle that specifies time. And then 生まれ this part is a must form stem of 生まれる that means to be born. And then ました that's the past form of ます makes the sentence polite. So there is no subject in this sentence, but you can assume it's I because there is no subject and he or she just saying was born in March 5th. So it's probably talking about themselves. Right, so the sentence means I was born in March 5th. The next word, to sell, 売る、売る。この本はどこで売っていますか？この本はどこで売っていますか？ Where is this book sold at? So, この本 that is this, この means this, then 本 means book. So, この本 means this book. Then what is a topic marker. So, the nuance is like talking about this book. The next word, どこ that means where. Then で is a particle that indicates place or location. So in English, it will be like at or in. So, どこで means at where or where at. The next word, 売って This is a te form of 売る to sell. ね、います This います makes the verb into a ing form in a polite way. So in this case, it means selling. And then last か This makes the sentence into a question. So, if you translate it literally, it means talking about this book, at where is, there's no subject. So, at where is somebody selling? The subject doesn't exist because it doesn't really matter who sells it or who sells it. We just want to buy it, right? So, if you want to translate it into natural English, it will be like, where is this book sold at? Alright, let's look at the next sentence. 遊び終わったゲームを売りました。遊び終わった ゲームを売りました。I sold a game that I finished playing. Right, let's break it down. 遊び This part 遊び is a must stem form of 遊ぶ That means to play. So, must form of 遊ぶ is 遊びます But we just want the stem, so we remove the must and then we get the 遊び So that's the must stem form. Must form of stem. And then next word 終わった That's a past form of 終わる to finish. So 遊び終わった That means finished playing. Right. What do you finish playing? ゲーム That means game. So 遊び終わったゲーム That means game that I finished playing. There is no subject, but you can assume that it's the, whoever speaking. So the game I finished playing. 遊び終わったゲーム Next. This is a particle that indicates direct object of an action. And in this case, action always comes after or usually comes after or. So in this case, the action is 売る to sell. Alright. So 売り this part is a must form of 売る to sell. And then next, ました past form of must makes the sentence polite. So ゲームを売りました That means I sold the game. Right. But not just the game. What kind of game it is? That's a game that I finished playing. And then I sold that. Right. So game that I finished playing, I sold. Sounds almost like Master Yoda in Star Wars. A game that I finished playing, I sold. So you know what I'm talking about if you watch Star Wars in English. He talks like this. Completely opposite in order, but it's somewhat or pretty similar to Japanese. Anyway, let's go to the next word. That is to choose. 選ぶ 選ぶ Right, let's get the sentence. どの服を選びますかどの服を選びますか Which clothes do you choose? So the first word, どの that means which. And then 服 means clothes. So どの服 means which clothes. Right? And then next, を again, this is the particle that indicates direct object of an action. In this case, action is 選ぶ to choose. Alright, what do you choose? In this case, that's what you're asking. And 選び, this is a must form of 選ぶ to choose. Right, so 選びます. By adding ます, you make the sentence polite or make the verb polite. And then lastly, you add a か that makes the sentence into a question. So the whole sentence means which clothes do you choose? In this case, there is no subject, but you're asking a question and you should be asking question whoever you are talking to. So in this case, you can just translate it into you. Alright, next example sentence. 彼女は赤いドレスを選んだ。彼女は赤いドレスを選んだ。She chose a red dress. Okay. 彼女 that means she. And then next は is a topic marker. So talking about she. 赤いドレス that means red dress. And then を is a particle that indicates direct object of an action. And in this case, action is 選ぶ to choose. And 選んだ that is a past form of 選ぶ to choose. So in English, that's chose, right? So then the whole sentence means she chose the red dress, a red dress. Let's look at the next word. To put something. 置く置く。この箱はどこに置きますかこの箱はどこに置きますか Where do I put this box? So, この that means this. 箱 that means box. So, この箱 means this box. Why is a topic marker? So, talking about this box, where, どこ is where. 2 indicates direct target location of an action, in this case, 置く to put. Next, 置く next, 置き. This is a mass form of 置く to put. And next, ます that makes the sentence polite. And then lastly, か this makes the sentence into a question. So talking about this box, where, put, question. So in this sentence, there is no subject, but I'm assuming that in many cases, that means I. Like, where should I put this box? Or it could be we. Where do we put this box? I guess in some cases, it could be also you. So this really depends on the context. Right, let's look at the next sentence. そこに置いてください。そこに置いてください。Please put it there. So, そこ that means there. And then に indicates direct target location of an action. Action is to put. 置く. And 置いて that's a Te form of 置く to put. And then ください that means please. So Te form plus ください that makes it please do something. Alright, in this case, the sentence means please put it there. Alright, before I wrap up this video, I will give you a challenge. Try making a sentence with any of the words that we learned today, and feel free to post it in the comment section. I will read all your comments and reply back as much as possible. All I ask for return is to hit the like button, subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.